Today we are going to look at the brand new Insta360 ONE X dive case right here. It provides almost seamless underwater stitching in up to 30 meters underwater. It is the most easy to use dive case compared to the very difficult to use bubble for GoPro Fusion. I used bubble and GoPro Fusion in a recent job for Special Olympics swimming team and diving team, and the workflow is very frustrated and the result is very undesirable. So I invest in the ONE X dive case. Let's see how it works and the quality of the final stitch result. Let's literally dive right in. Okay, now we gotta go film some fishing. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. If you remember, in this background, I did a review of the old Insta360 ONE dive case, and the result is not good for 360 use. So what about this dive case for ONE X? So the build of the dive case is very solid. As you see, there's a two giant metal button right here. This one turn the camera on, and this one start capture. And the top, as you see, is a giant bubble, just like the GoPro Fusion bubble, to create this optic, avoid the stitch line of the camera as you see the footage. So right here, as I open, you can just grab it like so, move it, and the bottom pop open, and this thing will just slide the camera out right now. As you see right here. And if you see the bottom right here, there's two white stickers. That is an anti-fog sticker. It comes with 6 of them when you purchase this dive case, but you can always purchase more on the internet. This is very important because when the camera filming underwater, the camera is very, very hot and the outside water is very cold. So it generate fog inside the case, which make your footage very, very blurry. This is actually happening in the GoPro Fusion bubble solution when I capture with real client for Special Olympics. That's very bad. The whole footage is useless. So that's why this is very important to have this anti-fog solution. Right here, they actually have a little like holding area right here. You basically cut that in the same side, put it in, it will work. And actually, if you see the footage, my footage have no fog because thanks to this like anti-fog sticker. So putting the camera in is literally so easy. It literally take me, well, let's do the count right now. See, right here, there's a guide. You literally slide the camera in, close it, bam. Now it's in. Literally take me like 3 seconds. Compared to the GoPro Fusion bubble, literally take me 15 to 20 minutes to set up. That is a huge time saver. For documentary filmmaking, that is actually very important. For people just casual you, like if you want to go on to a vacation and want to capture some underwater footage, that is also a great feature. Ease to use is actually very, very important. Hopefully now you get an idea of the dive case. In my opinion, the adventure case for ONE X is not really necessary if you are a careful user like myself. But the dive case, I would definitely purchase it if you like to dive in a swimming pool or in a tropical paradise during your vacation. My friend Laurel James, a professional 360 diver, has more footage of her diving in the deeper ocean with beautiful underwater shots. I highly recommend to go check her out. I'm going to use this ONE X dive case to replace my GoPro Fusion bubble solution for the Special Olympics swimming team and dive team in the UK. So we will see how good it performs in a real job scenario. If you want to see more of those footage behind the scenes of me working with my clients, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.